Hey, Mrs. Parker.
Hi, how are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Good.
Good. So we have another question of the day.
Oh boy, I love these questions.
You love questions of the day?
I do.
Please send in questions.
Please do.
Please.
Yes.
We love questions.
We love them.
So this comes from CCats.
Hey, C-Cats, how are you?
Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for subscribing.
I love your headbands, Siobhan. Where do you get those from?
Well, C-Cats. Anywhere, honestly. Mostly my headbands come from Amazon, or if I find a nice one I like in Walmart, I'll grab one. But mostly they come from a beauty supply store that is very close to our home. So I'm starting to collect a lot of nice tropical themed ones to wear on a cruise. So if you guys have any ideas where I can get those from, let me know. But that's basically where I get them from. Anywhere I see them and I like them, I'll just pick them up and I'll wear them.
There you have it.
That's it.
All right, well, continue sending those questions in, guys. And until next time, I am Brandon.
I am Siobhan.
Parkers on the go.
All right, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Siobhan.
And this is Brandon.
And we are... Yeah.